Hi friends, today's recipe is of my native place Goa and is prepared in many households over there, the Goan prawns curry. This is a relatively simple way of preparing it. There are different methods by which it is prepared along the Konkan region, which I will be covering in my subsequent recipes. Let's begin with how to select prawns. We generally prefer buying the fresh ones rather than the frozen ones. In case you buy the frozen ones, you have to defrost or thaw them before use. Identification signs are they should have a translucent white to greyish appearance. Don't buy the discolored ones. Second is they should have a slight smell of seafood or a fishy smell. Don't buy if they have a strong ammonia-like odor which indicates that they are stale. And the third one is they should be firm and have a shiny outer surface. Shouldn't be slimy. We come to the process of deshelling of prawns. A prawns consist of three parts: the head, body and tail. You have to slightly start peeling off the shell from the tail and the head. Removing tail first makes deshelling process easier. Then you have to hold the shell on the head and twist it until it detaches. Deveining is the process by which we remove the black thread from the prawn. Presence of the black thread can cause digestion related issues. After deveining, rinse the prawns thoroughly in water to remove any remnants. After cleaning the prawns, add around 1 teaspoon each of salt and turmeric to them and mix well. Application of these two is important because it has an antibacterial property, and turmeric salt combination is also a preservative and helps in extending the shelf life of prawns. Now we cut each prawn into 2 pieces, which enables better cooking. We'll now come to the preparation of the base of the curry. For this, we will require 2 fistfuls of freshly grated coconut, half medium-sized finely chopped onion, 7 to 8 peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of gave or dhane, tamarind which is equivalent to the size of a small nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2.5 teaspoons of red chili powder. While grinding, add little water so that you get a smooth consistency. The ground mixture should look like this. Now let's start with the cooking process. For this, we have taken 250 grams of prawns which have been marinated with turmeric and salt, the ground mixture which is the watan which we have kept ready now, and 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. We take a pan and warm it slightly. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to it. Generally, prawns or fish curry doesn't require much oil. We will add 1 teaspoon of the chopped onion to the oil and saute it well till it acquires a dark brown color. This enhances the flavor of the recipe. Add the rest of the finely chopped onion to the prawns and mix it well. Let's add the prawns onion mixture to the pan and give it a good stir. After the prawns onion mixture is sauteed well, the raw smell goes away. We add around half a cup of water to it and mix it well. Then we have taken the lid and covered the vessel so that the prawns start cooking. Checking intermittently is important because prawns doesn't take much time to get cooked. We have now removed the lid again after around 10 minutes to check whether the prawns have got cooked. The easiest way to check this is take a piece of prawn with the help of spoon and try pressing it against the wall of the vessel. If it breaks quickly into two pieces, that means it's cooked well. Take care that it doesn't overcook. We'll add the ground mixture or watan to the pan and add water to the curry to get it of the right consistency. We'll then bring it to a boil and turn off the gas. And that's the end of the cooking process. We are ready with our yummylicious prawns curry. आम्ही केलेले सुंगटाचे हुमण तुमका बरे लागतले. Hope you love this mouth-watering, delicious recipe prepared by us. If you did, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.